Lighting transforms minimalist spaces into stunning, serene environments. Let's explore how innovative designs can elevate your home. Next, let's talk artificial light. LEDs are energy efficient and offer various color temperatures. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting for a dynamic look. Overhead fixtures provide general lighting, while accent lighting adds drama by highlighting art or features. Next, let's talk artificial light. Choosing the right bulb is absolutely crucial. LEDs are energy efficient and come in various color temperatures. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting for a dynamic, layered look. Overhead fixtures provide general lighting, while task lighting ensures functionality. Accent lighting adds subtle drama by highlighting art or features. In minimalist spaces, your fixtures matter just as much as the light they provide. Go for clean lines, simple shapes, and subtle finishes. Pendant lights are perfect for adding sophistication without overwhelming the space. Recessed lighting keeps things seamless, while track lighting is both functional and artistic. The key is to let the fixtures complement, not compete, with your space, creating a harmonious, balanced, and stylish design. Lighting is more than just illuminating a space. It's about setting the mood, creating harmony, and expressing your style. From maximizing natural light to layering artificial light and choosing the perfect fixtures, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works for you.